Hello there, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. That's me. I was at the farmer's market this weekend, and they had the most beautiful rainbow carrots. And I thought to myself, I should probably make my husband's favorite carrot soup. But to be honest, I don't make it very much because it's pretty labor intensive, and it takes all day. If I want to make it more quickly, I have to dice the carrots so that they have more surface area and cook faster so that I can mash them. Or my alternative is to put them in the slow cooker, but then that takes 4 hours. But then I thought, let's give that pressure cooker a run for its money. So that's what we're doing today. We are making pressure cooker carrot soup. You will need 2 large onions, 2 pounds of carrots, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 4 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper. Peel and rough chop your onions. Remember, there's no need to dice. Then scrub, peel, and rough chop your carrots. Then peel and thinly slice your ginger. Set your pressure cooker on sear or sauté. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add your onions. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of pepper. After the onions become translucent, add your ginger. When the ginger becomes soft, add your carrots, give it a stir, then add your chicken broth and your orange juice. Pop on the top and set it to soup. Let the steam escape for 5 minutes naturally and then press the release button. Cooking time was just a short 30 minutes, but your vegetables are fork tender and ready to blend. Working in batches using a blender or a food processor, take your vegetables and broth for a spin, and just like that, soup's on. Here it is, our delicious carrot soup. It smells divine, so let's give it a taste. This is comfort food in a bowl, and it tastes really creamy, but let's remember, there's only a tablespoon of oil in the whole pot. So this is a very, very low-fat soup, which is very nice. Just a note, if your blender has a soup setting, you don't need to use that because the vegetables are already hot, for one thing. And second of all, I find that the speed is too high on those settings and it makes the soup frothy, which I don't know about you, I don't really like that. So you can use the lowest setting and this will whip up in no time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and come see me any old time here at Home with Anita Rosner.